Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 4, Organizational Safety. In this session, I am going to discuss accident investigation and reporting system and also crisis management. Okay, situations how accident when accident happens, how situations to be handled. Okay, that one I am going to discuss. So see here, if an accident occurs in an industry, the investigation will be carried out by the inquiry committee set up by the high level supervisors. Okay, as soon as the accident occurs, care should be taken to see the spot of the accident, and that to be not tampered with an immediate supervisor or officials on the spot. Okay, and also they have to investigate and submit the report to the superintendent of the department. In case of the minor accident, supervisors should report would be enough for the enough, and the superintendent should take the immediate necessary actions. Okay, and also corrective measures he has to take. In case of the reportable accidents, the dangerous occurrence, the superintendent should nominate one of the senior officers to inquire into the accident soon after he is receiving the preliminary report from the supervisor concerned. The inquiry officer's report should be submitted as soon as early possible. Okay, the investigation committee of the officer should ascertain the facts that lead to the accident by taking the statement of witnesses, by examining the work spot and machineries, by taking expert advices on the matter. Okay, and also sometime by gathering all the other evidence. Okay, they have to inquire, and also the statement of eyewitness and also injured person should be taken as far as possible. Okay, and also if the injured person may be contacted in the hospital with the permission of the attending doctor, right? So the elements. Okay, so there will be. Okay, so these are the investigation and reporting. So next concept, crisis management. Okay, in crisis management, crisis management, it is the process by which the organization deals with the disruptive and unexpected event that threats to harm the organizations. Okay, see here, the crisis management means it is the process by which what organization, dealing with the disruptive and unexpected events that threaten and that are those are harmful for the organization. Okay, right? And also the study of crisis management originated with the large scale of industrial and environmental disaster in the 1980s. Okay, and also it is considered to be the most important process in the public relations. Okay, and also the elements are common to the crisis. First one, a threat to the organization, the element of the surprise, a short decision time. Okay, there are types of the crisis. First one, natural disaster, technological crisis, confrontation. Okay, malevolence, organizational misdeeds, workplace violence, rumors, terrorist attack, or a man-made disasters. Okay, those are the types of the crisis management. Okay, these are to be considered and also these to be managed. Okay, in order to become a safety organization. Okay, so in this session we have discussed accident investigation and report and also crisis management. Okay, thank you.